Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class. And in today's class, we're going to talk about how to host a website on Ubuntu server, which is a Linux virtual machine. So first, I will have to create a virtual machine on my Azure platform. .azure.com. So I'll authenticate, then create a machine. So I will need to just create a resource group so that we can, if we need to get rid of everything that we've created in this lab. So let me just put this one Ubuntu server. Ubuntu server. Let me leave everything as it is. Let me leave everything as it is. Okay, except just one password. Okay, I think that's fine. So I will have to open port 80 because I want it to be accessible from the internet, even though it's not secured. So for the disk, I can make the disk. Let me just use this because I don't want to spend too much on this. So as that one is trying to validate, I'll have to check the so many website template we can use. But first, let's go to GitHub and check the kind of website template we want to use. Let me do this. So website template. So I want to pick from this website template. So we have many website template here that we can use to test what we are doing. So here, still deploying, still deploying. Still deploying. Deployment in progress. Oh, good. Now we can go to resources and we know how we do it. Copy public IP. I want to use PuTTY to sign on to my virtual machine. So let me just user, create my password. Okay, fine. I'm in. So I can just say first sudo app get update. So let me first update because I want to avoid dependencies that will be giving me that outdated packages. So I need to quickly update everything. After that, I'm still updating. Okay. So after that, I can just install Apache. Install Apache 2. Yes. All right. So once this is done, we will confirm the Apache web page. Confirm the Apache web page from our browser. Okay, good. So I can just go back to the browser, copy this. Let's say I want to be sure. Oh, good, it is. So we can come back to our putty. Now I need to quickly check. Since the Apache is installed, I can just say cd into VAL. HTML. So how did I get that directory? The directory is from here, from the browser. If you check, this is directory var HTML. All right. So that is a directory that I just. So I want to remove the HTML here. Recursive. Let me do sudo remove index.html. Okay, so good. So I have nothing there. Now I want to just go back to I want to clone the website template. So I can just come here, clone this, paste here, and that is it. Oh, saying there is no permission, so let me just do it from the sudo, and we have it cloned. Okay. So we can just check. Do I have it? Yes. So, which is the website template here. So let me even check what do we have in there. cd website cd website template. Okay, so let me check what do we have. Oh, cool. We have so many websites in here. So what I will now have to do is to copy one of these websites to the directory of the Apache. So this is what I will do. Let me just pick one. Let me pick since I think there is one I like using here. Just pick think I can just pick something. Let me use it. Let me use this. Let me use template. Let me use aroma beauty spa. Let me check this. So here is just for me to. Let me just check what we have in there. Check what we have in aroma beauty spa. Okay, we have. Let's see, we have needs. Okay, so let me just take it back to okay. Aroma beauty spa. All right. So after that, I think I can even copy the content of aroma beauty spa. Content of aroma beauty spa, which is cd into okay. Let me do it this way. I need the content of aroma beauty spa, which is var/website template/ slash, let me put it there. Okay, so from this directory, I want to copy the content. So let me say sudo ap recursive copy var website templates slash aroma beauty and spa responsive bootstrap template. So the source target will be okay. So because I want just the content, so the source target will be var www var html, and that is it. So if we've copied that, we can just check from here and confirm that. So all we need is to refresh this page and we have Aroma Beauty Spa. So this is a way to host a website on Ubuntu server. I hope this helps someone in your cloud journey. Thank you.